Hello, is this Mr. Sam? Okay, my name is Dennis. I'm calling you from your bank, and I'm marketing manager of your branch. Okay, we are making an upgrade to your account, and we need to get some details from you so that we can fast track the upgrade today. Is your account number the one that ends with 450? Okay, is it 459 or 450? All right, you actually call out the number by yourself? All right. So we need to make this upgrade today, this moment, because if we don't do it, we are going to lose everything in your account. What I'm trying to tell you is that you have to confirm it today so that our